Okay, we're going to work on the same things you guys were working on last week. Okay. You got Mike, who has $200. He earns $10 per week. Gus has $600. He only earns $5 a week. Eventually, Mike's going to catch up to Gus. He has a lot less money now, but he's earning more every week. How many weeks will the two people have equal amounts of money? So I'm actually going to set up the two tables up here, so you have more room here. Hold on a second, I can get something set up. There we go. Okay, so we put weeks this time, and then dollars, because he gets paid every week. Both of them do. So 0, this guy starts with 200. 0, the other guy starts with 600. Now just go to 1 and 2, okay? Because you're not the table, it's going to take forever. But I want you to at least make it so then you can organize the rest of the problem. So he earns 10, and then he earns 5. So 200 plus 10 is 210. 600 plus 5 is 605. Okay, obviously not even close. So plus 10, 220, plus 5, 610. Okay, that's good enough. Now you're going to make your two line graphs. You're going to put equal. You're going to put equals, but you're not going to put the number. You don't have the number that you're equal. Okay. Normally we put the number we want to end at the top, but we don't know what that is, and we never need to find it. Okay. So this guy started with 200, and then we were adding 10 times W, because weeks start with W. Instead of H and M, 10 times W. Okay, now this guy, he started with 600. He's adding 5 times W. Now, you don't know what goes at the top. That's not your job. Your job is to figure out after how many W's they'll be equal. So make a plus sign, but you want to put 10 times W first, okay? And then 200 second. And then a plus sign over here, 5 times W plus 600. Now you got both sides, so take out the W over there, put a plus sign in front of it, and to get rid of a plus, you minus 5W. It doesn't matter that it has a dot between it, okay? You still just minus 5W, and then go to the W here, minus 5W. 10 dot W is the same as 10W, okay? It means the same thing. Just because there's a dot, don't get freaked out. We're still doing 10 minus 5, so it's 5 times W. 10 minus 5 is 5. Then plus 200 equals 600. Get rid of the plus, just put 600. Okay, now to my two steps. I get rid of my plus 200 with minus 200. And then I get rid of the times 5 by divide by 5. So minus 200, 600 minus 200 is 400, and then 5 times W. Okay, now divide by 5. Positive 5. So 400 divided by 5, 80. That's why you can't just use the table. I would have had to get to 80 weeks before they're the same. That's like you'd be here for periods 1 through 7, okay? And that's assuming you didn't make any mistakes, which is easy to do. So the answer is 80 weeks. Actually, just put weeks, and that can be our answer. Okay, next problem. Again, I'm making this on Sunday night. I forgot to put this at the bottom. It will be on your paper when you get it tomorrow. So when you're looking at your paper right now, it's there. It's not right here. Okay, Saul has $900. He earns $20 per week. Francesca has $400. She earns $45 per week. I messed that up. My fault. Okay, that should say weeks. It's all weeks today. After how many weeks, that I put weeks, it shouldn't say months, it should say weeks. For how many weeks will the two people have equal amounts of money? So first make your tables up here. We know that's not going to be the end all be all today. So weeks and dollars. Weeks and dollars. So 0, 1, 2, you can stop at 2. So he starts with 900 and she starts with 400. Okay, then add 20 every time there's a week, and after 1 week we add 45 to him. So 900 plus 20 is 920, 400 plus 45 is 445. Then we just do the same thing again. 920 plus 20 is 940. Remember, you don't be afraid to use your calculator if you don't know it. 445 plus 45 is 900. Okay. Or no, 490. Dang it, 490. Because I was going to say, that's... Okay, now, go to your graphs. So equals, you don't put a number at the top. You started with 900. And you're adding 20 every week, so 20 times W. Over here, you have 400, and you're adding $45 every week, so that'd be 45 times W. Okay, so you set them equal. So you put a plus sign, and you put 20 times W, and then 900. Over on the other side, remember, you want to put the number with the times W first. Because that's how we're used to seeing it. Okay, now both sides, you take out the 45, put a plus in front of it, so you need to minus 45 times W. By the way, if it has a negative sign, then you call it a minus and you plus it, but these are story problems, so it's always going to be a plus you're getting rid of. So minus 45 times W. And then minus 45 times W from 20. If you get a negative, you got to put it, okay? Again, don't just put 25. It's negative 25 times W plus 900. And then over here, we just put the 400 down. So we minus 900. And then we divide by negative 25. Remember, if you do the math and it's a negative, don't drop the negative. You got to keep it, okay? So like when I take 400 minus 900, it's a negative, so I can't just call it 500. It's got to be negative 500. Then divide by negative 25. Remember to put negative 25 under the line. So negative 500 divided by negative 25 is 20. So that one wouldn't have taken quite as long as the like close, but it still would have been annoying to go down to 20 weeks before finally getting the answer. So W equals 20 weeks.